Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix could not open Photoshop because scratch disks are full. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So there are multiple methods to fix this issue. Now we are in temporary folder and you can delete Photoshop files here and then open Photoshop and then app data local temporary folder. And another way is to change scratch disk for Photoshop. Now open Photoshop. Now we are on desktop and now double click on it and then press Ctrl plus Alt. Keep pressing. Hold this. Then you see scratch disk preference. Now you see scratch disk first, second, third, fourth. Now you see startup. So you can select location according to your requirement. If your C drive is full, then you can select D. Now you see, so you can set priority and then click on OK and your issue will be fixed. So you can change scratch disk location for Adobe Photoshop and then click on OK and your issue will be fixed. Now this is key for Windows. When opening Adobe Photoshop, press Ctrl plus Alt key, and for OS, macOS, press Cmd plus Option key when you opening Photoshop. So first way is to delete temporary files of Adobe Photoshop in temporary folder, and second way is to change scratch disk location for Adobe Photoshop. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.